This is a pattern observation question. This is a pattern observation question. Pattern observation. We have seen this kind of pattern observation questions in number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry and modern maths. This is a pattern observation question based on a number series. Based on a number series. Based on a number series question. So, some numerical values are given in the left hand side. 7 question mark, 9 question mark, 10. 7 question mark, 9 question mark, 10. It is equivalent to 8. It is equivalent to 8. Now we do not know what is the mathematical operator that needs to be kept in place of question. 7 question mark, 9 question mark, 10. Right? The operator can be plus, operator can be minus, operator can be into, operator can be division, so on and so forth. So we have got 3 such, right, number series question. Another is 9 question mark, 11 question mark, 30 is equivalent to 5. 11 question mark, 17 question mark, 21 is equivalent to 13. Now, these 3 number series question, probably these 3, if you read the question again, somewhere you will get an idea. The first idea which I got is, what is the right hand side? Right hand side is, all are, if you observe here, 20, 11, 17, 21, 13 we got, 5 we got, 8. 8, how will we get? Probably, let us do the basic in mathematical operators. In mathematical operators, what is the first basic operator? Which is addition. Which is addition. Plus is addition. Plus, plus, plus. If I keep doing, I will get into. Plus, plus, plus. If I keep doing, I will into. Into is the derived operator from plus. If I do negative addition, that is called subtraction. If I do repeated negative addition, I will get division. Division is nothing but a one-to-many function of subtraction. Right? Subtraction, generally we call it as negative addition. Subtraction, another name is given as negative addition. Negative addition, negative addition, into, if I keep doing into, I will get a power n. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3. I will not only solve this question, I will give you some concepts which will help you to understand not only this question but different questions based on the same logic. Next is, suppose if I do division, I will get a power 1 by n. I will get a power 1 by n. This is your all the mathematical operators which you will discuss from 5th class to 8th class NCERT textbook. Absolutely, each and every student who is an aspirant of civil services knows the importance of NCERT book. Even in a mathematical section, there is a way to go through an NCERT book. In an NCERT book, first plus is taught, then negative addition is called subtraction, then repeated addition is called multiplication, repeated multiplication is called a power function, repeated subtraction is called a division function, repeated division is called a surd function. That is how the mathematical operators have evolved. Now let us see. 7 question mark, 9 question mark, 10. The first mathematical operator is plus. Let me start with the first mathematical operator. Let me see what will happen if I keep all plus. The first thing I am just checking whether plus will work. If something is not working, then I will go to write other operators. Because, sir, why are you not doing any of the division? I cannot do any division because 7 divided by 9 into 2. If the denominator is of any prime number other than 2 and 5, I will get a recurring decimal. I will come back to that point. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 10, 26. How is 26 related to 8? When 26 will become 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. Oh, here it is 26. Here it is 2 plus 6. Let us get into the something. Second example, 9, 11 and 30. First example, I kept all plus. Check it out whether all pluses will give you answer. 9 plus 11. 20 plus 30 is 50. Oh, again 50 it is. 5 plus 0 it is 5. 5 plus 0 it is 5. Two examples are satisfying this question. Two examples are satisfying this question. 11 plus 17, 28. 28 plus 21, 49. 4 plus 9, it is 13. 4 plus 9, it is 13. That means this example is telling a fact that whatever left hand side number you will get, whatever left hand side number you will get, whatever left hand side number you will get, right? If you are adding the sum of digits of that number, if you are adding sum of digits of that number, if you are adding sum of digits of a number, you are getting the right hand side. You are getting the right hand side. You are getting a right hand side. Are you all with me? Now we started with plus. Because you are a civil services aspirant, immediately you should ask me, right, what is the guarantee that plus only will give you answer? Why minus cannot be taken? Why into cannot be taken? Why power n cannot be taken? When we are proving that this is giving us answer, we should also prove that why other mathematical operators will not give an answer. Now I will tell you why division cannot be there anything. Please write down a point. If I divide a value with another value, if I divide a value with another value, very important basic property of a fraction. If n2 is a power of 2 or a power of 5 or a power of 2 and 5 or a power of 2 and 5, then I will get a terminating decimal. Then I will get a terminating decimal. Decimal value will end. Decimal value will end. Right? When n2 is not taking, n1 is a natural number, n2 is a natural number. If n2 is not taking any power of 2 and 2 comma 5 other than power of 2, other than power of 5, I will always get a terminating decimal, which in NCERT we also call it as recurring decimal, which we also call it as recurring decimal. By looking at a fraction, when can we say that which one will give a terminating decimal, which one will give a recurring decimal? Again I am repeating, I request you please make a note of these important key point in a notebook. By looking at a fraction, I need to tell whether it is a recurring decimal or a terminating decimal. When the denominator is represented as a power of 2 or a power of 5 or a power of 2 and 5, I will get a terminating decimal. Else I will get a recurring decimal. Else I will get a recurring decimal. You keep, suppose 7 divided by 9. 9 is not power of 2 and 5. So I will get a recurring, but right hand side is a natural number. If 9 divided by 11, 11 cannot be written as power of 2 and 5. I will get a recurring. 17, 21, I will get recurring. Division will not work. Division will not work. So into right division is out. Then, sir, how come? Into will not work. All the right hand side values are very small values. Into function will give a larger value. 7 into 9, 63 plus 10, 73. Larger value. That means if you see the into function, it is giving a larger value. Into, it is giving a larger value. Division, it is giving an terminating recurring decimal value. Into is out, division is out. Then if I keep plus with minus, 7 plus 9 minus 10, or 7 minus 9 plus 10. Is it giving you 8? No, it is not giving you. Plus minus combination we cannot take. Into combination will give a larger value. Division combination will give an recurring decimal value. So therefore, plus 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 combination, the probability of getting the answer is high, which is coming out to be 100%. Are you all with me? Especially when you are writing an civil services examination, your mind should always ask W and H related questions. Why, what, when, where and how. If you cannot ask W and H related questions, tomorrow, as a bureaucrat, a minister will always be dependent on your suggestion based on a statistical evidence. So it's extremely important. So answer for this question is all should be plus. 23 plus 4 plus 14. 23 plus 19, 42. The right hand side is the sum of the digits of that number. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 4 plus 2, it is 6. Now, if you see here, this is a question based on pattern observation.